In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to listen to songs together in a long distance relationship. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to listen to songs together in a long distance relationship is an active subscription to most mainstream music streaming services. For example, most streaming services allow you to listen to songs together by using functions that come with the app itself. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do this through Spotify, but you can absolutely use other music apps like Apple Music to listen to music together in a relationship. All you have to do is open up your music app, in this video Spotify, and click on the song details. For Spotify, click on the devices icon on the bottom left corner of the screen and you will bring up this page. Within Select a Device, just click the plus sign next to Start a Remote Group Session and click Invite Friends at the bottom of the page. Now, all you have to do is copy this link and share it to whoever you want to listen to music together. Like I mentioned, you can also listen to music together through other music streaming services like Apple Music. I hope I was able to help you on how to listen to songs together in a long distance relationship.